A typical Assembly Copilot deployment uses a Windows computer and its display, a camera, and optionally a multimedia projector, a stack light, and any Poka Yoke integrations. Here, the operator brings a unit to his station, which is automatically detected by our AI, causing it to visualize the next step. As soon as the operator completes the install fan step, the instruction switches to pick washer and bolt. Instead of tightening the washer and bolt, our operator starts installing the control panel, which causes the system to complain. Now the siren is going off, and there's a visible alert on the screen. The operator notices this alert and fixes his mistake, which the system acknowledges by automatically turning off the alarm. Notice how our operator is able to work at a fast pace without needing to press any buttons. Our operator has installed the grill and he's putting the cover on top. Finally, he scans a serial number to end the cycle, instantly sending analytical and video data to the manager's online dashboard.